Steelmama specializes in the development of roof roll forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality 1035 tile roll forming machine. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Ensure that the overlapping accuracy of the finished product is controlled within plus or minus 1 millimeter. Customize various sizes according to your needs. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty.